Hi, and we're now entering the house of Mr. Tiernan Lyons, where we're going to be doing the full complete kitchen makeover for our customer. Follow me. How you doing, Tiernan? Are you well?
Good, good.
Come on, let's go through here, and we're going to just walk through what we're going to be doing on the kitchen today, Tiernan.
Yeah.
So, this is the layout of the kitchen at the moment, and Tiernan has brought us in to take out all the old kitchen. We're going to be removing all this. We're going to be installing a whole new kitchen for the customer. There's going to be quartz countertops, and new flooring from the kitchen area here right through to the front door. And he's also going to be having new skirting. So this process should take approximately 5 working days, with probably another 3 or 4 days left over waiting for the quartz countertops to come and be installed. Here we have the design, partial design of the new kitchen. It's going to be a handleless painted kitchen. In the arena section of our category of our kitchens, and we're going to have a group 2 quartz worktop. Mr. Lyons is going to provide all the appliances himself. Everything else we're going to bring. We're going to bring all the tradesmen, we're going to bring all the materials for the kitchen, etc., and the flooring, and we're going to install all that. So again, watch the video through to the end and you see the whole process in action.